Yesterday, when I posted Roti story, I was surprised how many of you identified with it, and it was good to know that hardly anyone fuss about round roti anymore. But so many of you wanted to know the secret of effortlessly puffing the roti. So here's what I do, and it is backed by science too. It starts with dough. The amount of water to make dough should be enough to make soft and pliable dough. So add enough water and knead it nicely for 4 to 5 minutes. The reason that roti puffs up is because of pressure from the steam produced inside the roti pushes the gluten network outward, and if the dough is hydrated enough, it helps. And for the same reason, allow the dough to rest for 30 minutes to develop the gluten. If you are making whole wheat flour roti, do not roll them too thin because that will help them puff up easily. Next and last, cook roti on high heat. For this, make sure use tawa that retains the heat because that heat helps the chapati puff up quickly and make it soft. These are a few tips that I have personally tried and worked each time. If you like them, do share the recipe with someone who might want to make soft puffed up chapatis.